What is up, my friends? I'm Mumphy. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, thank you so much for joining. You know, it has been a pretty crazy year, 2021, but I can say that I am proud of what I've accomplished in this past year. I hope you guys have enjoyed the journey as well as I share my build of my 2020 Toyota Tacoma. I can't believe where the channel has gone. This past year I saw 1,000 subscribers, and I gotta say thank you to each and every one of you who has hit that subscribe button, has hit the like button, even the dislike button, left a comment, and has engaged with my content as I build up my Tacoma. Now I know I don't have all the answers for everything, and I'm kind of going through the build the best way I know how, but that's how I'm building my Tacoma. And I love seeing all of your builds out there on Instagram. It's simply amazing what the community is doing out there. And that's where I get a lot of my ideas. I mean, I wasn't even aware of the Sherpa mounts until somebody in the community DM me and let me know that these were an options out there. So I have got to say thank you to each and every one of you out there, and I hope that you continue to stay with me going into 2022. Alright, I've got an announcement to make, and that is I am going to be taking the rest of December off. That way I can celebrate the holidays with my family and friends and reconnect with those that I haven't really been in contact with for some time. So for those of you that are celebrating Christmas, I hope you have a Merry Christmas. And for those of you that are celebrating other holidays, I wish you happy holidays. Now, I have to say thank you for everyone who has supported the channel over the year. It's been a great ride, and I look forward to doing more in the future and in the coming year, 2022. I've got a couple of really big installs that I'm excited to share with you all. It's really going to change the look of the truck. So I hope you guys stay with me till then. I'm also looking at focusing more on the community that we have built here. I want to feature a lot more of my subscribers and followers' trucks on the channel, and even highlight maybe some upcomers that are new to either the Tacoma scene or just the YouTube space. With that, if you'd like to support the channel, I do have a website that I've started, link in the description below. You can go there, you can check out kind of a little bit of history of Mumphy, myself. You can find my Instagram over there, and I've also got a shop where you can get some Mumphy merch, not only just this Mumphy hoodie, but some shirts, and there's a couple other designs over there that you can pick up if you're interested and would like to support the channel. So with that, I'll see you guys January 3rd with a new video. Thank you so much for all your support. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, smash the like button or dislike button. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. I appreciate you guys greatly. Thank you so much. Have a great rest of 2021, and we'll see you in 2022. Peace.